Okay? What's wrong?
I want my shit.
You can. You might.
I want to get to the picture.
Hi, Al.
Yeah! There it goes. Wait, what was the duck?
You tell me which way is the dock.
Oh, this way.
That way.
Claws.
There's only a couple of females. Whoa, do crabs live underwater?
They do. Look at them. They're all underwater.
Hello, crabby.
Those are all the crabs. They're sleeping.
How do you know?
They're not moving.
Look at the body. I just want to get both in place. The next island.
I know. We were over there and we walked all the way over here.
It did not take long.
It did not take long. All right, Mir. We're ready.
1, 2, 3.
Not ready.
Cheese.